Good day, everyone. I hope everybody's doing well. And we're in the month of September now, and weather is starting to get colder. So let's do some harvest. Come and join me. I always get excited when it's time to harvest, to see different color, texture, and flavor. My celery, I use it for soup or either smoothie. This is the yellow zucchini, and this is the last harvest for the season. This is California Wonder Pepper. It's great for omelet. So this is a pear-shaped tomato, and it's an heirloom variety. So this is a chocolate tomato, and it's an heirloom variety as well. While we were harvesting, the rain just poured, so we have to run inside the house. Well, now we have to continue harvesting. Oh, I cut the wrong one. Oh. So this is my pole beans, and I just planted one seeds in here, and this is what I got. After picking, you will see how much I get from just one seed. So this is the first year that I grew beets, and I'm so happy I did. I haven't tried this before, so I'm excited to try this. Yay! Oh no, it's raining again. Let's go. Rain just stopped. Time to continue. So this pepper called New Mexico chili pepper. It's not very hot. It has a mild taste to it, and I love it. Here's my longyard beans. This is an abundant harvest from a small backyard. Every day, there is always something to pick, something to snack on, and something to share with friends. This small backyard provides us food every day and all through the season. I hope this video inspired you. So let's keep gardening and grow what you eat. So another great harvest again here in our small backyard, and for those of you who are watching my video, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart, and for the new subscriber as well, thank you. Once again, my name is Ana Rica, and bye for now.